update for this building, project number 20201. At this time, we are already doing the plastering job for the interior wall. Almost 50% of the interior wall is already finished plastering both faces of the wall. So in this wall, we have just troweling the mortar for the wall, and then after 30 minutes it will be leveled. Here in this bedroom, this one face of the wall is already complete, so the remaining 3 faces of the wall is yet to be done. From the ground floor to the first floor, all the conditions for the wall plastering are all the same. To our total assessment, almost 50% of the interior walls are complete for wall cement plastering.